Yeah, so I think it's twofold. I think for folks like us, that's true. And we're working on this internally, working on products that allow us to be earlier, right? And go get away a little bit from our norm that we've been, over the last 19, 20 years. But then I think there's the other side of the coin, which is we need to help entrepreneurs get the information they need to be better at what they do. So we always talk about there's an information gap. And I see it a lot sitting in my seat is that I will see a black founder or woman founder come in and they will really struggle with their pitch, what they're supposed to say, how we want to see it. And so a lot of times that blocks us from being able to even like take it serious because, if you come to a pitch, and I give you
Mm,
an example, if you come to a pitch and, oftentimes black founders and women founders are credentializing themselves and it takes like 10 minutes, right? They want to say, I have a PhD, I've
mm,
done this, I've done that. And it's like 10 minutes of a 30-minute phone call. And you're like,
mm,
I don't need to talk about you for 10 minutes. Like, tell me what you've done. Let's move on. Let's get to the
mhm.
problem. And oftentimes, because of the way this industry has gone, black founders, women founders are taught to come in and credentialize yourself as much as possible.
Huh.
And I tell them, like, no, you don't need to do that. Like, if you got a PhD, all you need to do is tell us, I got a PhD. That is good enough. Let's move on to the problem. Conversely, if most white founders that come in, especially white cis males that they
Hmm.
come in and they're telling you, I am building $1 trillion company. This is the best thing that ever happened to you, and you would be lucky to invest in me.
Right.
And so just even that confidence, you're like, I want to give this person money,
Right.
right?
Right.
Because our
Right.
business is helping companies build businesses so we make money, right?
Right.
And so little things like that is what I try to encourage founders. You don't need to do that. Like come in with all the confidence, come in knowing your stuff, and like give us a chance to look at the real business and not just about yourself.